All right, here we are, part 2 of our video, rice video. The rice has been cooked, it's been sauteing for like, I think I looked at the clock, and it was about 8 minutes, 7 or 8 minutes, and it's like, you know, a little light brown color. Now, I turn off the flame, so we're going to turn it back on again. And you're going to add your tomato sauce next. You're not going to use the whole can, okay? Just maybe 3/4 of it, or maybe even half. So, see how much is left over here. Okay, that's good enough. Then you're going to add your chicken broth, and I add about almost the whole can. Not all of it, but almost. See that? Chicken broth goes in next. And then what you're going to do, you're going to add 2 cups of water. The same size mug that you used to put the rice, you're going to add 2 cups of water. And stir that up a little bit. Bring the heat up to, you turn up the heat, turn up the flame, and you're going to let it bubble, let it boil a little bit. And here's where you sprinkle some garlic salt. You don't have to add this, but I like to add this. It adds a little bit more flavor to it. So I like to start off with a little bit, and then if you need more, you can add more later on. Okay? So there's that. So you bring this up to a boil. When you start to see it bubble, then you're going to take a spoon and taste the broth. And the broth will let you know how your rice is going to taste at the very, very end when it's done. Okay. Make sure that you're going to have a lid handy to cover up the rice when it comes to that step. I'm going to get a spoon. So, yeah, if I can make this, you can make this. It's a super, super easy recipe. Not that many steps involved to make it. I thought it was going to be really hard when I learned from Mom, but it really wasn't that hard. Of course, she used to make rice for 20, 30, 40, 50 people at a time. I don't know how she did that. Okay, it's almost there to where it's bubbly. Can you see where it's starting to bubble a little bit? I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Yeah, I can see the little bubbles. Now I'm going to take my spoon, take a little bit here, and I'm going to taste that. I think it needs a little bit more of the broth. So that this is what you do. This is how my mom taught me how to make this. And the video is add ingredients to taste. She didn't give me the exact measurements, which most Mexican moms won't give you the exact measurements. Very hard to find a mom that will do that, unfortunately, because I know you like to cook by exact measurements. Let me taste it one more time. And I did not drink from this. I just put my finger. Let me get another spoon. Hold on. Just to be sanitary. Okay. Tastes much better. Okay, now you're going to turn down the heat. Turn down the flame to low. Okay. And what you're going to do is you're going to cover it up for 15 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, starting now.
Okay, so whatever you do, do not take the lid off. You're going to be tempted to take it off, to check on it. You don't want to do it. Keep the lid on until 15 minutes is over. Then you can, it'll be ready. It'll be ready by then. You don't have to add anything. You don't have to take anything out. Of course, you can't take anything out, but you don't have to add anything else because it'll be ready just the way it turns out. The times that I've made this rice like this, it turns out perfectly fine. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the camera again, and I'll come back for part 3 to show you the results. Okay, bye.